Chapter 105. Capillary pressure. Introduction. Definition. Capillary pressure is the pressure exerted by the blood contained in capillary. It is also called capillary hydrostatic pressure. Significance. Capillary pressure is responsible for the exchange of various substances between blood and interstitial fluid through capillary wall. Normal values. Generally, the pressure in the arterial end of the capillary is about 30 to 32 mm Hg, and in venous end it is 15 mm Hg. However, capillary pressure varies depending upon the function of the organ or region of the body. Regional variations. Regional variation in capillary pressure is in relation to the physiological activities of the particular region. So, it has some functional significance. Capillary pressure remarkably varies in kidneys and lungs. Capillary pressure in kidneys. In kidneys, the glomerular capillary pressure is high. It is about 60 mm Hg. This high capillary pressure is responsible for glomerular filtration. Capillary pressure in lungs. In lungs, the pulmonary capillary pressure is low and it is about 7 mm Hg. It favors exchange of gases between blood and alveoli. Measurement. Direct method. Capillary pressure was first measured by M. Landis, when he was a medical student. Minute vessels in the web of foot in a frog were cannulated by using micropipette, with a diameter of 5 at the tip with the aid of microscope. The cannula was connected to a manometer. This method was later followed to measure capillary pressure in other organs. Indirect method. Indirect method is based upon the principle of exerting an external pressure necessary to obstruct the flow of blood in capillaries. The capillaries are observed under microscope. Regulation. Arterioles play an important role in regulating the capillary pressure, and the pressure in capillaries is considered as a function of arteriolar resistance. When the arterioles constrict, resistance increases in arterioles, which raises the arterial blood pressure. At the same time, the volume of blood flowing into capillaries decreases, leading to fall in capillary pressure. On the other hand, during dilatation of arterioles, the resistance decreases and arterial blood pressure decreases. But the capillary pressure increases because of increase in volume of blood flowing into capillaries, Fig. 105.1. Capillary oncotic pressure. Capillary membrane is permeable to all substances except plasma proteins. So, the plasma proteins stay within the capillaries and exert some pressure which is called oncotic pressure or colloidal osmotic pressure. Normal oncotic pressure is about 25 mm Hg. Among the plasma proteins, albumin exerts 70% of oncotic pressure. Oncotic pressure plays an important role in filtration across capillary membrane, particularly in renal glomerular capillaries.